How to install Cisco Packet Tracker in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download Cisco Packet Tracker, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search. You can go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go with search, and under search, you need to search for Cisco Packet Tracker download. And here you will have the website. So you need to go with Packet Tracker, and here you will have the download option. So you can just simply go with the download right here, or if you don't know how to download, then you can log in to this website, which is Cisco netacad.com. You can copy this and go with a new tab, paste it right here, and hit the enter. And here you will have the website. So you need to go with the official website. Once you're on your website, you can go with Explore, which is on the top left, and then your Cisco Packet Tracker, and then go with View All. So Explore and scroll down, go with Cisco Packet Tracker, and here you need to go with View All. And from here, you can just simply scroll down and then find the option that you would like to download. So for example, if I choose this one, here you will have the download Cisco Packet Tracker option. Just click on this. And if you scroll down, then here you will have the versions. So you just need to simply click any version that you're comfortable with, and it will start the downloading process. After downloading the file, you can go with downloads, which will be on the top right. Here you will have the download section, and under your downloads, you can just simply double click on the file once it's downloaded, and it will start the installation process. So that's how you can download and install your Cisco Packet Tracker. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.